Welcome to this week's edition of Vaccine Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in vaccine research. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of vaccine research. The UK's National Health Service has begun inviting adults aged 75 to 79 and those over 80, born after September 1, 2024, to receive the respiratory syncytial virus vaccine. RSV is a major cause of severe lung infections such as pneumonia, particularly among older adults. Pregnant women from 28 weeks onward are also eligible for the vaccine, aiming to protect newborns during the first months of life. SK Bioscience has launched clinical trials for £560, its first mRNA-based vaccine for Japanese encephalitis. The vaccine aims to provide rapid, scalable protection against this mosquito-borne disease and could serve as a foundation for future mRNA vaccines targeting emerging threats, including the hypothetical disease X. The project is backed by a $40 million investment from the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, with the potential for an additional $100 million for late-stage trials. Bavarian Nordic has partnered with Biological E to expand global access to its Chikungunya Vaccine. The collaboration includes a technology transfer agreement to scale vaccine production, ensuring wider distribution in low- and middle-income countries. The vaccine recently received approval in the United States and a positive opinion from the European Medicines Agency, marking a critical step in controlling chikungunya outbreaks. AIM Vaccine has submitted its mRNA-based Shingles Vaccine for clinical approval in the United States. The company's mRNA RSV vaccine was also submitted for clinical trials earlier this month. Preclinical studies indicate a strong immune response, positioning AIM's Shingles Vaccine as a potential competitor to existing options on the market. In India, Zydus Lifesciences has launched VaxiFlu-4, a quadrivalent inactivated influenza vaccine. Covering 4 World Health Organization recommended flu strains for the 2025 season, the vaccine is designed to protect high-risk groups, including children, the elderly, and immunocompromised individuals. In an unexpected decision, the US FDA has canceled its March meeting on selecting flu strains for the 2025 to 2026 vaccine season. This meeting typically guides manufacturers in developing flu vaccines for the upcoming season. Experts warn that the cancellation could delay vaccine production, raising concerns over whether who strain recommendations will be adopted without FDA guidance. Immunon has reported promising results from its Phase 1 clinical trial of IMNN-101, a DNA-based COVID-19 vaccine. The trial demonstrated a 2- to 4-fold increase in neutralizing antibodies following a single dose. Unlike mRNA vaccines, DNA-based vaccines offer enhanced shelf stability, making them a potential alternative for long-term immunization strategies. A new tuberculosis vaccine trial, known as MTVAC, has begun in South Africa. The trial will involve 4,300 participants across South Africa, Kenya, and Tanzania. The study is supported by funding from Open Philanthropy, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and the German government. If successful, this vaccine could represent a major breakthrough in global TB prevention efforts. Saudi Arabia has pledged $500 million to the Global Polio Eradication Initiative. This funding will support the vaccination of 370 million children annually and contribute to efforts to eliminate polio worldwide. Since 1988, global polio cases have declined by 99%, but conflict zones remain a major barrier to eradication. Cytophage has announced the development of a phage-based vaccine for H5N1 avian influenza. This approach differs from traditional vaccines by leveraging bacteriophage technology, which enables faster and more scalable vaccine production. The vaccine is now entering preclinical testing, with results expected later this year. Want to stay ahead of the latest vaccine research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.